are back with even more SEMA 2011 coverage. I'm Amber Getz, and I'm here with Mario, and he's from American Online Imports. How are you doing, Mario?
I'm very good, Amber. Thank you.
Now, you guys got some pretty exciting information to give us about a revolutionary new product you're showing here at SEMA.
We have. It's called the RetroRack, and it's the first time that it's ever been released onto the world market, and SEMA's the first place it's ever been shown. So it's been about 4 years that we've been on the product to develop it, and now it's finally ready. We're ready for the open market.
So even before Australia?
Yeah.
All right, well, take us through it. We want to hear a little bit about it.
Sure. It's the reason it's a revolutionary product is because it's so you can rotate every component 360 degrees and make it fit into almost any vehicle from 2005 down. With all the other components out in the aftermarket industry, you can't do that. So we make everything in-house, and it's just top of the shelf product, absolutely.
And you're getting tons of great feedback.
Oh, the feedback over here has been absolutely phenomenal. It's been phenomenal. It's all for the hot rod guys, the chassis builders. It's just been unreal.
Now, you mentioned before when we were talking, it does something for the dealers. They can get rid of all those part numbers. Can you explain that a little better?
Correct, because before this come out, there was 10 different racks for 10 different cars. Now with this product here, because it's so universal, you can have one product and one code number will do basically all the cars. So all the dealers don't have to stock their shelves with all different components. One rack will do all, most anyway.
Well, fantastic. Where can the viewers go to find out more information?
Straight to our website, www.americanonlineimports.com.
Fantastic. Well, we wish you the best of luck. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Amber.
You're watching Power TV.